Hello, welcome to my channel, Urban Queen TV. I am Urban Queen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome. Happy to have you. Please press the like button and share and subscribe and hit the notification bell and click all so you'll be notified on my next video. Please watch the complete video so that you will get an in-depth view of what I'm sharing. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another one of my emergency preps. As we all are experiencing winter weather across the USA, and some are experiencing even harsher weather across the USA, and some are even being affected extremely over the road. This is my winter emergency car kit that may help you in an emergency situation, or to help somebody else if you come across someone who needs assistance in an emergency situation. Now, a lot of the items that you'll see, I hope you'll never have to use it. I'm a person that pays attention to how people are driving around in a 1,000-pound machine. And I want us all to be safe. So now, as we're experiencing, as you see on the TV, they're talking about winter storms and all sorts of emergencies that's going on. So for people on the road, here's my winter safety kit. This kit, I purchased it some time ago from Walmart. It's an ideal winter kit for emergencies. It has a carrying case. Let's open it up. As you can see, the kit has a nice little case, has reflectors on it, so you can use it as a guard if you need to warn somebody if you're stranded on the side of the road. Inside this case, inside the case, we have first thing is a blanket. So just in case you have to sit in your car, in your automobile, and you're stranded, you have something to cover. You know, when the rules are 3, we only can stay 3 hours in extreme harsh weather before we expire. So we don't want that. This is a Goodyear product. And you know Goodyear is a popular item. This is the owner manual. It's congratulating us on the purchase. It's showing us how to do. We have a 3-in-1 shovel. This shovel has It has a scraper. And the shovel is 35 inches. When you add the scraper, it's 21 inches long. And you have the brush. Brush makes it 24 inches long. It has the handle. These are all for emergency purposes. If you need help, or this is the straps. These are recovery straps. The recovery straps is 15 pounds, working low limit. You have a flashlight. You need to see. You see it has 3 compartments on this side. Has some gloves. Nice gloves with grips. Pair of gloves. Comes with some batteries for the flashlight. You got the booster cables, jumper cables. Some people call them jumper cables. Now, jumper cables. We want to be prepared for emergencies. Some of these things you may have already. Some people may not have them. So it's best to start now. And this is a compact kit. So you could get it all in one. You can also do a DIY and just add on to what you have. You know, some people already have the scraper and the brush. But I'm quite sure a lot don't think about having straps for towing, just in case you get stuck in the snow or in a ditch. We have, what else? Yes. So, like I said, we have the shovel. We have a nice compact case. We have these gloves, nice thick gloves. We have a blanket. I have some bonus items that I would like to show you. You may need some de-icer. De-icer for your locks. In the harsh winter weather, you know, your locks freeze. So you may need to have some to defrost your locks so you can get in the car to warm it up. You may need a tire to measure your tire pressure. This is good to have for the summertime as well, because you know in the summer your tires inflate due to the heat. Have some spare fuses. We need spare fuses. Another bonus item that I like to show you is some emergency flares. LED flares. These emergency flares. It comes in a 3-pack. This one, sometimes you can find them in a 4-pack, but this one I happen to have is in a 3-pack. It's LED. It has a chargeable. It recharges. One of them recharge. This one. And those two, you need to put batteries. You unscrew these, and you put in 3 AAA batteries. It can hang up. You can hang them up, or you can lay them down. It has different. It had a pulse. Flashing. Rotating beacon. For SOS. A steady. Full beam. A low beam. And a white beam. Just in case if you get stranded at night and you don't have any flares. Ladies, this is good to start out with if you don't have any of these items. It's good to start with these. Yes, we can do DIYs. DIYs, I'm a DIY person. But I also like convenience. And this is very convenient. It has everything you need all in one. And at the price of $29.99, say $30, this, you can't beat it. Because by the time you spend and you buy all these, you'll be way over the price of $30. So by getting all these items all in one, you save not only money, but time. I'm about redundancy. I'm going to do a part 2. I have some extra emergency items I would like to show you to have in your car for a time of emergency. If you don't have someone to help you with the car jack, with the booster cable, you can have your own portable cable, jumper cable. This one is by AvaPower. It's a 8,000 amp. It's a portable jumper box by AvaPower. This is a portable jumper. Just in case your battery goes dead, you can put this on yourself. You can jump your own self with this. I'm trying to put this in here for you to give you a demonstration. Yes. You see the light comes on, and this is the button you would press. Not only that, it has a flashlight. It has a flashlight. This is an all-in-one. This is beautiful. It has USB. You can USB, 2 USBs, and to where you can charge it. See, it has the flashlight. This is another emergency kit prop you can have. This is for when you're alone. You don't have no one to help you jump. It's good to have both. Redundancy is a good thing. You have the regular one, and then you have your portable one. This is Urban Queen. I thank you for watching my channel. I ask you, if you liked what you saw, please give me the like. Press the like button, the thumbs up button. Share, comment. Leave a comment. Tell me how you liked the video, what you would like to see on my channel, what emergency preps you would like to know about. I'm open for ideas. I appreciate it if you like, share, subscribe. I'm Urban Queen. This is Urban Queen TV. This is my Goodyear winter safety kit. I would like you to stay blessed, have peace and love in your heart, and I bid you shalom.